So I want to walk you through my live Coinbase trade that I've got at the moment. It's expiring tomorrow and it's a 111 trade. Now, the reason I wanted to showcase this particular trade is that the current price is within the trap. So I have a situation where I'm making more money than the initial credit that I took upon entry. And that initial credit is what I generally bank on because it's such a high win rate probability on these trades that when the price goes into the trap, the amplified returns is basically the hedge to my downside. So I've got an opportunity here where I can take profits on the table of a lot more than the initial credit. Now, we're going to visually go into option strat and look at how this trade is currently performing, but I just took a quick screenshot about a few minutes ago just to show you what the situation is. So you can see here that my average price is $55, so minus commissions. Effectively, I took in $55 of credit on this trade. This was a 4-day trade, so it was a week trade. I thought I saw an opportunity there, and Coinbase did actually go against me initially, but now has recouped slightly. So you can see here that today, because Coinbase is up, we're up $449, which takes us to a market value of $135. So you can see here that if I close the position, that the $55 initial net credit that I brought in, I can make whatever that is, about another 80 odd dollars on top of that. So that's where the current situation is and where we lie. And again, that was about like 5, 6 minutes ago. So I've put in all the details into option strat, and you can see here we got it live here that we are $175 where the current market value on my screenshot is 135. So we've actually gained a bit more since then. And you guys have seen plenty of 111 trades that I've done. And again, the full kind of info pack or whatever you want to call it is the first link inside the description if you want to get this strategy. So this video is not going to go into the legs, how it's all created. I've got videos on that. And again, you can get the full video guide link is inside the description. And what you've got here is you've got the current price here, which is sitting inside my hedge trap at the moment, which is exactly where we want it to be. So if Coinbase expires between, or I'll have to close the trade out before it expires, otherwise it gets a bit more complicated. But if it closes between 335 and 330, I will realize the full $55 of profit. So of that full 557, I've currently made 184. So you can see initial credit upon entry is 57. It showed 55 on that screenshot, minus commissions, all those kind of good things. I've put the exact pricing that I've got filled out on the screen so we can kind of see where it is along the trap. So because this is expiring tomorrow in the next 50 and the market's open for another 50 minutes or so, I need to make a decision on what am I going to do. So if we have a look at what's going on here, is if you look at where my break even is, my break even is 4% away. So can Coinbase move 4% a day? Yeah, it can. If I look at where I start giving away products, Coinbase only has to go down 2.3%, but also it only needs to go up another 0.81% to be out of the trap. So ideally, we kind of really want it to be sitting in the middle. But again, as long as it expires somewhere between 335 and 330 tomorrow, I have the opportunity to realize the full $557 of profit. So because it's not really moving now, is as time goes on in the next 50 minutes or so, hopefully this one, again, is still going up 195, 196, will continue to eke out another $4 of profit. But this is just an example. I think Coinbase was trading at like 340 or whenever I kind of placed this trade. And obviously Coinbase has gone against me. Coinbase, if we go to coin on here, you'll see it actually went down to a low of 311. So it was actually below my break-even point here. So Coinbase yesterday was at this point where I was down $344. And now you can see from -5 all the way back up to 0. So again, it's made like a 2% move today. And that move is why we are up, whatever it is today, $449 in this actual one. So this is where the 111 trade helps you get out of trouble effectively because you've got that hedge in place. So I just wanted to showcase this video just to show you how powerful the 111 strategy can be, not only in terms of utilizing that full $5 with spread to your break even to increase up your break even point, which again ours was 314. It went beyond that all the way down to 311 or whatever it was. If that did happen, and let's just say today's Friday and it's the day of expiration, there's a lot of things I can do to manage this position. So my debit spread of the $5 width will probably be at like $480, $490. So I could either close that position out and realize that full 400 odd dollar gain and treat the 320 as a separate put and roll that down and out, move that out for another 30 days. That's one option. The other option is I can close the whole position as a whole, because at the moment the way that this is set up is set up as a, what in IBKR's terms is set up as a combo trade. So it has all the legs inside one trade. I can close that and roll that whole position out by another 30 days or whatever I want to do to lower this out, because we're not that far away. Even if it went to 311, we're only like to my break even. We're only $2 behind my break even. And again, that if I just had the 320 put, I would have been whatever that is, $9 in the money. But I was only $3 in the money because of my break even point, because I had this debit spread hedge that I paid for to give me that $5 cushion. And that's the whole point of the 111 strategy. But thankfully, it has gone back into the trap, which has now allowed me, flirting around the 197, $200 mark. So as I record this video, it looks like I'm probably going to close out this position. So hopefully you guys have found this useful and can understand how the mechanics of the 111 trading strategy works. Again, you can get the full package down below, link inside the description if you want to learn how this trade, how I select the stocks, how I select the strikes, all those kind of good things. And I should see you guys in the next video.